Eta Owens and the Gamgam, the Gamistos, Van Sunshine Chicago. This is a uppercut podcast. I call in the Wairo. I call in Signature. This is Apa. The Sellers Paycheck at 21. I call in the Demfano Matubaki Poko. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speak in the whole world is your host with the most. Sikhona futhi bafethu nakule sonto leli sithi sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, enda. Molo molweni kaloku bafethu ngijabulile namhlanje. I'm very excited because I feel like I'm going to talk about myself.
Oh yeah.
But I'm going to talk about Big Five.
Oh.
Yeah. So nami I'm one of them bafethu. That is why ngiqale kanje.
I was wondering. What were you saying?
Yeah, that's why ngiqale kanje. Otherwise almost ngikhulume one thing nale ngikhuluma nge-introduction bafethu.
Oh, it was
Yeah.
the intro.
Just nje niyazi lezi zinto lezi ezakudala and nami ngizama ukuyikhipha engqondweni.
Yes.
So little by little I forget things wabona.
Okay.
Yeah, but in time I can remember.
Yes.
I understand that because ngiphilile lempilo.
Yeah.
Wabona. I put those things in my mind. So they are here. I just need to remember them thoroughly.
Yes.
You know. Yeah, but bengenza nje ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi nami ngi-Big Five. Angisingi Bok 5.
Yeah.
Khona ama-Big Five, khona ama-Bok 5.
Yes.
Yabo? Ama-Big Five mase wakutshela ukuthi wena usuyi-Big Five eliphelele. They are calling you i-Bok 5.
Bok 5.
Yeah, bayakuphoqa ngamanye amagama.
The rip-off, basically.
Yeah, it's a rip-off basically. You are not so qualified. They don't rate you as one of them fully.
Yes.
You are still learning. Or maybe somdala kakhulu. You can't learn anything anymore.
Yes.
That is why they are calling you Bok 5. And they are gonna put you emaposeni. Oba isocha. Isocha abantu ababekwa phambili empini. And remember, phakathi kwe-Big Five kunama mendlela nakhona. Yabo? Njengawo wonke amanombolo. Positions. Yabo? Ezilwelayo nalapha ziyalwelwa baba. Yabo? But you know ama-positions aza nama-consequences.
Yes.
Yabo?
Responsibility.
Nama-responsibilities. Yabo? So ibuye ibe nzima lapho inombolo ke. Because every office kumele inomsebenzi wayo. Yangithola. And nalabo ekuthiwa amasotsha. Remember ku-Big Five kunalabo ekuthiwa amasotsha. Otherwise wonke amakambo yabo kunamasotsha. So ku-Big Five amasotsha nawo anama-rank.
Okay.
Yabona? Esotsheni lapho. Angithi niyazi bafethu esotsheni kunabo general, abobani abo constable leziyangama. Yabo? Yeah. Nathi ku-Big Five kunamasotsha. Amasotsha wakhona abizwa ama-cut. Cut 1 until cut 9. Yabona? So amasotsha bazokhetha kanjani la? Like mhlawumbe ujoyina somdala wena. Bathi awusalelwanga la. Awunale encane i-double Z and a 5 kuphela. Yabo? Unale ngapha Big Five. B double Z and a 5. Kanjalo mawunale encane. Bathi you were born in Germany.
Yes.
Uzalelwe khona because you started ngama ranks ebuncaneni. You understand? So besibaphoqa kanjalo nabo abanganale ngapha. Sithi hayi lo akazalelwanga la uqashiwe la. He was hired. Yabona? They belittle you in a sense.
Yes.
Uyangithola? So kunama ranks nalapha yana. Yabona? And then nalama mendlela amasotsha kunalabo ekuthiwa amakhadi, kunalabo ekuthiwa ishopu, kunemoto khona lapho yabona. Like uzothola ukuthi bathi cut 7 imoto, uyimoto wena mabathi uyi cut 7. Uyimoto ehamba nama Big Five. Ehambisa ama Big Five. Uyimoto ngapha nangapha upeshiwe wena amalogo we Big Double Z and 5. Yabona? So now uzosithakazela kanjalo. uyangithola
Right.
mabezifuna kuwe ubatshele yonke leyo nto ukuthi wena uyimoto yaseGermany and ugibeze ubani nobani 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 you understand kunalowo bathi store a shop a winkel met Afrikaans uyangithola so there a shop da yonke into laba abancane laba ama diamond abo D youth yakuGermany ithola izinto kuwe mabacela ugwayi mabacela insango mabacela ukudla kumele baye kuwe and wena you don't have to say azikho lezo zinto
You're the caretaker basically.
yeah and wena ukuthi singabe khona ifault yakho ngoba uyazi la kumele uzithole khona wonke lama big 5 kumele ahlalane ka wena izinto igada ugwayi ini ezofunwa yilabo abancane ngoba bayakhuliswa laba you
It
understand
must be fair.
yeah so that man bambesi cut 8
Okay.
isitoro saseGermany yabona but uyisoja futhi makuyiwe empini yini phambili amasoja because laba ba operate ama office
Yes.
yabona abo 12 11 13 14 until room 25 angathi ama 25
Yes.
ama big 5 until room 25 i25 ipresident yaseGermany yabona makuthiwa that guy is a 25 wazi ukuthi ipresident yaseGermany yabona kunemithetho yonke into inemithetho phakathi la eofisini lomunye nomunye kune assistant
Okay.
uyangithola kune assistant kune student futhi esiza ngama Jarefan Anlichten ngama Fridays sizofunda incwadi and wena uzotshela lo mncane youth ke okuvakashele ngeFriday ukuthi no kuhamba kanje kuhamba kanje kuhamba kanje umdlalele mhlambe nemap we have a map kula uzobona khona ukuthi this thing is satanic is demonic yabona kune map indwangonyana nje ebhaliwe i-double Z nala manamba ukuthi ubani ukuphi ubani ukuphi ubani ukuphi and akusibo bonke abakhona chance ukuyibona leyo ndwangu leyo ndwangu le baningi abangayazi badala abantu abadala bentshebe abayazi leyo ndwangu le abakaze bayibona yabona so bakho abayibonayo yilabo engithi bazalelwe eGermany
Yes.
yabona unless wena impintshi yakho ikwenzela ifavor and then wrong yabo nizoshayiwa so all in all igangster njengamanye ama gangster ayikho into engcono yabona ngoba nabo babonke kanje bayaziprotect basho kanjalo
Yes.
against lama number lawa because ama big 5 bathi bona bashaya imithetho yabona bayawuphula that is why babezwa impimpi yabona kanti that thing is fooling other people they concentrate on saying ama big 5 yimpimpi no abotsotsi njengani njengawonke umuntu abapimpi bapimpa if sipimpa sifuna ukubenefita whether those knives imimese sizoyibenefita whether insango or imali whatever le esikupimpele yona we can't just pimpa you
Yes.
otherwise thi ama big 5 asebenza namaphoyisa yabona amaphoyisa bababiza bo 9 as in number like nines kimaponisa 9 kileponisa wabona ka big 5 so basebenzisana bathu bawo wabona I can get more favors than any other gang as a big 5 because sisebenzisana nabo bona sifuna baqabange kanjalo because kanti we are making it all for ourselves you understand hence sikhuluma iAfrikaans but siyayitwista le Afrikaans yenza ukuthi sihlebe namabhunu basizwe sihambe sibalahle basizwe sihambe sibalahle basizwe sihambe sibalahle but sikhuluma njengabo ukuthi bona sizokhona ukuzwana nabo
Yes.
yabona because kusuka kudala ijele liphethwa ama-Afrikaners
Yes.
most yamajele la eMzansi aphethwa ama-Afrikaners kudala izinto zishintsha manje after 94 so it was benefiting for ama big 5 ukuthi bakhulume iAfrikaans
Yes.
yabona ukuze sizokwazi ukukhuluma namaphoyisa futhi You understand? Yeah. So siphathima imese nathi. Sakwaza nathi. Yabona? But it is not in our book.
Yes.
You understand? But to show ukuthi singabotsotsi angathi besigwaza ngaphandle sidobula ngaphandle.
Yes.
What makes you think ukuthi bazo rely on being impimpi ejele phela? You can't. Wabona? Yeah, it's just that nje basebenzisa ubuclever babo.
Yes.
Wabona? Ukuthi bazokwazi ukuphusha lento bangaphazamiswa mara bazenzele into zabo balokhu bayenza ubutsotsi nabo. Ubutsotsi nabo bokudla laba abancane bayalala nabo. Yeah. Bayalala nalaba abancane ama big 5. Plus kudala kuyashiwa ama big 5 akudala athi lento beyisencwadini. Omncane bekumela asize omdala sexual.
Yebo.
Uyangithola? Until kunenye indoda abathi 21 iSpaycheck le ngiphume ngiyiyo mina. Uyabona? Yeah, I had maybe 2 months kuleyo position and then I was out. Uyangithola? All along I was a doctor. Mangiqala ukupromote. It was my second office mina. Mangiphuma. So ngithulekele 21. Motho etsa diplane. Ha o bona hore ayisebetsi you can make a plan hore ho etsuweng e change. That is why ba big 5 e change e 10 high 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Uyangithola? E 10 high 5. Ho tshore we are allowed 21 allowed to reka change dinto ya re ba fetho ha isa re spanela ha re spaniseng e ba fetho tla re spanela in the future. Now I no spana for no ha re spaniseng ke motho tlang ka di plan.
Okay.
Wa understand? So motho o ila change re ba fetho ha o sa jana mo ntwe e senya ba fetho re bola ba fetho ba banyane ngondo because now re hola o tshego ba tlo hola ile basadi
Basically.
Wabona o tshego di office tsa Germany nene Germany tla be ranwa ke basadi ka mantswe a mang wa ibona so that guy will bona ntho e wa re no respect guys a ratang a ofe buisana le ena no forcing no fighting wa ibona yeah if o moholo ka first omnyane wa shapiwa no too much le demotion aka demote onsiwa ko office obane ha fit for office
Yes.
wetsa dintho tsa rao why you understand yeah so all in all ke botsotsi kaofela ka ile ana le dithipa ma big 5 hona le mo di dulang like kampo le kampo engwe lengwe ina le di weapons because we can't have soldiers reversionary weapon kanjani for the fact that bana le masole o dilo tse ba go di weapon e di teng but kampo le kampo like big 5 hona le mo di thipa di weapon di dulang teng
Inventory.
yeah hona le somebody o tshwarang dithipa ha di ntshi fela o di ntsha ka ntjaelo le yena hona le motho o tlotlang ko yena o tle everyone hona le o tlotlang gore mfetho re tinga di weapon tse kana
Yes.
wa understand
Okay.
kona tlo di ntsha he wa bona but o mo le mo itshwarela thipa ha ke tronko phela la re ditsotsi kaofela wa understand my brother some they find big 5 ele right
Yes.
aba fihla da most wa bona hence o tla bona re didenye ina le bo apartheid nyana hape ka hare phela ma big 5 they are associated hape le mshweshwe the king the old king mshweshwe
Yes.
le Adolf Hitler from Germany wa bona you know how Hitler was masa calling history
Yes.
he was reckless
Yes. Ruthless.
ruthless wa bona that guy so mshweshwe was a peaceful guy
Yes.
according to history wa bona so those we took those and
Merge them.
match them ke bana ba mshweshwe big 5 e teng le ka Sotho ke ba Sotho ma big 5 hence o tlo bona le majority ka ra big 5 as the Sothos is the Sothos wa bona le go ma Air Force trader most ke ba Sotho most ya bona obane ke bana ba moyeng o understand hence ba linka ka peace le ma Air Force trader ma big 5 ke le ka tjho on the past episode hore bana le di alliance
Yes. Yes.
wa bona so ma big 5 alliance ya rona ke ma Air Force trader
Okay.
wa bona ha ona le fight they can call ama big 5 Le ma Big Five, they can call ama Air Force 3. And ama Air Force 3, they can be helped by ama Big Five to run away. Understand? Re ka thusa ama Air Force 3 ba je fatshe.
Do what they do best.
Do what they do best. Maybe ha tshwarwa hape o tla re tlela something e ntjha jwanong.
Yes.
Ya ko ntle, drugs, zolo and stuff.
Right.
Bo dikata bo eng ha di ko bukeng. But we are doing them. Hobane matekwane all in all hangata batho ba tsubang ha ba sa tsubang ka re ba ha ba nahane grand.
They become agitated.
Yeah, that is why in general, even the prison warders, they believe, they know that house na matekwane kada ho tlolwaniwa.
Yes.
E ka soka sooner or later. Because batho dipelo di banyane. So matekwane a kokobetsa dipelo. Basically matekwane a etsa motho le kwala. You overthink something before you do it.
Yes.
Because you are high now, you are not straight, you are not yourself.
Yes.
That is why ke believe go le ka montle. Ha ona motho o tswang o tsubang matekwane. Unless a mixa matekwane le something. Anything. Ha mixiwe. Ha wa mixa le pia. Ke blackout. O tlo etsa ntho tse wrong.
Yes.
O tsena o sa bone ntho tse o di etsang. Wa mixa le di drugs. Bo crystal, nyaope and stuff.
Yes.
Why chol? Otherwise motho o tsubang straight matekwane. No. Crime nga ka se. They are scared. They overthink. Wa nahana hore yo ke tla re ke ya la maponisa hlaya. Sa tshwere before aya. Ke motho wa matekwane, strictly matekwane fela. Hence I'm not saying matekwane right. Matekwane na all in all a wrong thonye e one fela. Which is to smoke.
Yeah.
You can drink whatever, you can do whatever ka matekwane is fine.
Yes.
It's healthy.
Yeah. It's a herb.
It's a herb. But once you smoke it, that's where you are wrong.
Yeah.
Because now, no smoke in the brain is allowed.
Yes.
In your brain. In your chest. You're gonna sick, TB, cancer brain tumor. That is why you're wrong how you do. Right.
Yes.
For other things, medically, one shot. Yeah. So, my Big Five prayak, bachima. But
Yes.
the kaula to my Big Five ajahol. It's not like that. It's a matter of having food all the time. Because you know outside, are weak, my brother.
Yes.
And Rona are hlaisi di thipa moyeng. Re tla wena re di kentse ka mopokotong, re tlo nyonyobela ka tsona. You know? Rona so re tla me re believe ha o jima obvious wa tseba o jima ho lapisana, you must eat.
Yes.
Re believe ntho eo. On stomach sweets. Sweets go jima ra jima. Yeah. Ar fetsa o jima re tlamela re kaole. You understand? Faith pot. That is why ba re ke di faith pot.
Okay.
Yeah. Wa bona. Dijo go di bitsa di faith pot. Wa bona. Obane re believe gore tlamela re dule re na le tsona. Just imagine stress ka o tshwarang o lapile. O tlo lwana le mang o lapile. O tlo bua le mang. You can't even wake up there. Ha o lapile grand.
Yes.
Kaofela ba rata dijo. It's not only my Big Five fela. Kaofela dijo di ratuwa ke motho ka mong. Wa bona. A person as an individual ke ena o ratang dijo. You understand? Ha o so bua eo. Wa bona my brother. Obane o ka se be anything, the drugs matekwane bo saje.
You're killing yourself.
Yeah. That is why bona most ba tswang ka re ke bonya ope ba tswa ba otileng ka re ne ba sokola kante they were smoking more than eating. Teding di kampo di o etsa go le bale ka dijo.
Yes.
O bo phipande. O ka bo fa le banta mompeng. Le banta le bo fuwa mo burugoma.
Yes.
Ese mompeng o tsong tshelo go tseng ba bo phipande ne seso sam. Wa nkhawatha mas. Wa tshala my brother. Yeah. So my Big Five. Ha holo ntho ba e ratang ka o qena ene ba e ratela di khoneng.
Yes.
Ai ke maoto papa.
No.
Yo, they are sodomizing those people.
Yes.
Hey, ba tseba le bona. They are sodomizing ke mamboza. Ha utlwa ba re motho ke le mboza. Tongo. o tsebe gore o ja maoto or o dula le moshemane so o dula le mosadi basically yeah or ke motho o ratang yena o ja bafana ba that guy ke le mboza wa phanda they feel like ke bona ba tlameleng ba sebetse and then their ladies they don't have to work yeah ba o rekela everything o dutse ho tjolwana la wa e bona hence nna personal ke le ka lonela ntho e o ka ra German yeah hore ke be ke promote-iwe le we were a group of 5 ra promote-iwa ra hatiwa ra nka di boots ka mo mokokotlong ba o hata ba o shaya
As promotion.
yeah as a promotion ha o qeta tlamele o buo ra ile ntse grand matches ha o ka re lentse hampe you are not gonna be promoted when or walla or wa yo o ntso utlwa go kidney ya faila jwanong o mo mamella ka heel serethe mo kidney
Bones.
yeah wa utlwa ene di etatseletsa mo le dina le direthe my brother yeah ba hata ka tsona
That's crazy.
yeah so o tlo tshwarwa ha o shapa molao o wrong ka ga tronko ha o shapa molao o wrong wa understand and o tlo dula o lwanela ntho tse sa qalwang kwena wena la o sa sukele batho mara tse ba tronkong ha o shapa molao my brother you are not safe gore ka selwane wena you're gonna fight at some point because it doesn't have to be your fight. You don't have to start it or chomi ya hao o motho mo tsebang phela le bangata ke ra le tsebane ba bang yeah o mong a iqala ka mo ya soka
So you might die.
Yeah.
Something you don't know.
yeah go hopola one day in a soka go maximum Stoffberg on top so they are telling us re utlwa ka di alarm le moka mo ma Air Force Force ba batla o tlhaba ma 26 jwanong se le o solwane so ba batla o lwana wa bona hobane ba utlwa re go maximum ho lwana bo manga ke se wa bona go tronko e jwa yeah that's how it is so ba vet o wrong o joina molao ha ona molao o right ha ona kenge e right ba tsuile ba bangata ba sa shape molao they were not harmed one time just fela itsa ba fihla ba itshebela taba tsa bona a joina na le mpentse tsa hae tse ding a thola di mpentse tse sa shape molao tse nahanang tse ka ena yeah you choose friends again but you must take time
Study them.
yeah but now nagonzo you take time they are gonna come and intimidate you trying to scare you trying to do all the tricks that you can fall to their gang understand yeah so mostly ba bangata ba ne ba join Big 5 ke ba bone wa bona ba joinile ba ne ma 26 or ma 28 or ma Air Force 4 na ba batla e le dintwana and then ba baleya ba etsang ma Big 5 a kena mo wa bona ba ne bona ba re motho sa shape molao ke bra wa bona ba mo protect you can live with my Big 5 or still Big 5 but now here's a thing they must benefit to you
From you being around.
yeah they must benefit la ntse ba re dichomi tsa bona ona le puo e reng ha o kwatele motho sa shape molao no long face for reference is dava don't stama ke mo re janteng o mo kwatela jwang so wa bona le bona ntse le ditsotsi
Yeah, you did.
yeah they doing one thing
Man.
o ka tshwantsha maybe 26 ke example o ka tshwantsha 26 le Putin
Yes.
the president from
Yeah, Russia.
Russia Putin wa bona ro o lwana straight
Yes.
yeah and then my Big 5 as China because they are gonna come in the midst of that fight
Yes.
and say Rona we don't want to use you we want to work with you but they are all doing the same one understand that my brother bo France bo in the countries tse kaofela di etsa the same because they are all in Africa ke di batlang if you don't want to use us you can be in our country.
Yes. We are here to exploit.
Why don't they go out and come and ask us? Re ba fete kopa sebetsa mara ba tsuila ke mara they are talking while they are here they are fighting ba bitsa di territory tsa bona ka ga territory ya go kara Africa.
Just imagine.
My brother. But it's until one. So lima lady gangs. They are doing one thing in a different style.
Different environment.
Different ways. One understand that they are doing the same. How sharp you are bona batlaka. Barendo that's how to protect. Why was how protect fella?
No.
Why what?
Nice.
Yeah, that's why it says ka fela melao how no better na faith.
As long as them now.
Yeah. Plus my brother, there is this guy man ne ke bua le ena maobane wa bona. Yeah, William Fonela, that guy a ronza shebella Apakat podcast locker room.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No, o kopile re nke ke explain ore first day ana ke fihla ko Stoffberg. Ke explain nyana eo because ha so you utlwe ke bua ko di podcasting is been following me wa bona. But ha so utlwe eo ke araba straight. Yeah. So it was this day ha ba qeta on class o ile ena o ile a tshara ha ba qeta ho class ka utlwa ka ro why understand and try botsa wa bona. So I was happy hore ke tlo mo araba hiso wa bona hore hey my brother ban class itse le nna ka wela cell 20 wa bona the cell is cell 1 until cell 34 mona ke teng so nna ban classa ban kisa ko cell 20 a ke re ke the following day now o fihla today re robala estimeleni ko one cell ka ofela re estimeleni la whereby o se mo tla utlwa ba hlaya wosh hoi etha ba bona chali madala ba di batla tsa bona ba batla mpentse tsa bona you know. So now ka be ke ya cell 20 ai nna ke bona o fihla magrotmana mamon a ke batse ke magrotmane ho nna kana ko tse wa bona I am sure ka mo ha right ke ma 28 ai ba mpontsha o thieng mona la o thieng ne ba re ke mo ferefere kanti ke tlo e tloela nako e wa bona ba re ke mo ferefere ne le 28 wa bona ba ra mona mthakole ai o di stuka mona body ka ofela mona no tsa masapara ai ka bona le nna right mara I slept on that cell that day ka usane ka nka bethe ya ka ya cell 17 ke a iswa da ke batho ba remba banthusa only to find here is this guy ya le pick 5 ha ke tsebe gore ke le pick 5 ha ke tsebe next kanti ke le pick 5 ne ke triala le ena ko police station be ba mo kwa ba before nna ke thola se le pick 5 kanti bile le ena go ye o dula le monna kwa mara I don't know that yet kana ko eo wa understand ke ena ngkhothaletsang ora e Friday ke ena ba jetsang le bitso la ka mo e boy Friday a re ka you save ka anke sa cell 17 just fela pela monyako ke be ya bethela ai my brother ya ke mo kileng ka ipona hore motho ke setlatla straight ko pola ke dutse di mabetha ka so ke shebile TV o tla grotmane ngwe ne ke ntse loto la nonyana or la toeba ke tsebe ke la maro ke ntse something like a small nyana loto la le thao wa tla da tlo ntse ga e fetho a re yena pela TV so ke ko myako tlo hatsela eng ntwenyana tseo fe ya ba ka nako tso ba tshwala ba eng ka bethe o nna ke thotse fela ke ba tlo bua nnete ba fetho ne ke thotse fela ba eng ka ba e beya number 2 from the corner yeah ke re beya da ke robala da understand mothako na ntse seta ka bodi kwa eng wa bona vat until se ke sa batle kwa ya hae ka letsatsi la boitre wa bona yeah mara le nna ne ke swile nna ibile tse ding my brother go I don't remember anything because I was so scared my brother that's what I remember ne ke swile plan ne qala bona batho ba bangata jwalo ba apere ka o tshwana green nana di sele tse 34 ke batho ba ikae ba wa understand my brother thousands wa bona my brother so ka be ke ya ke dula da so until ke be ke bona go hiso o tshore you can just relax wa bona ntse ke araba ba re ntse batla wa bona plus na they were coming my brother ne ke shelwa straight re mfethu yabona ukuthi into ne grand celo so hlala ngada ha ke ya ko cell 17 ba latara ya loto ke yona ne bua lena Until so the first day was not good for me. Because I can say I did not sleep. I did not sleep. And first day I did not eat. Even the second day I did not eat. Just feel like
You're crying.
yeah, my brother. Ne suffocated. Because now I believed to being happy. And no one believed me. So first day. But as scared as I was dangerous. Because very same day, I just told myself,
Yes. Nobody's gonna eat me.
yeah, and the size ya ka ke ipona age but
Yes.
to be real, my brother, I told myself the very same night. Right. Plus ke bone le tsele tsene di re di tlo nkuka ka mo dinkisa cell 17. So I did not agree. I agreed the next day. Se ba ntshusitse ka mo ferefere. And ke mone bosiu etsa di up and down. O ya kontsang sheba ntsa re shebo ya ke qenetse ke tsa re ke robetse monna ke tatazela my brother. Ke tatazela. And le nna ke re ka itsheba my brother ke le yellow bone 20 years kana ko ke le yellow bone ke fresh ke stool ka mka batho ba understand re ha ne ke re ke stool ke re ke pakile me ke pakile my brother. And then I accept the fact that ke pakile ke tlo batleya. I accepted that. But I just told myself, I because I was taking this guy for granted. And so Samara got his stuka and stuff, the tattoo all over the body, including in the face. What? Unanso Saganto, Maragra body. I man. Kara no I think it's in this. Why whatever brat. Nse ke tshuile jwalo. Kara o nga motsa ka re bile nna never. Ke tshepile toothbrush.
No.
Yeah, ke tshepile toothbrush. Na le toothbrush ya ka e sharp. Mara be ke re ka solo tape ya. Ka o fela yona. Ke etsa solo tape. Ke chaff. Ne ke dula ke chaffi. You understand my brother? So that man ne ke tlo montsha gogotho ka dai. If he took chances that day. But I was scared. Le mong go smell. Ke smell se se ntšha my bro. Hopola go se ke tswa qeta 2 months Harrismith. Tronko. Ke godi ya before, ya bi 3 e ke kwetsi. You understand my? Se ke iswa stuff back plus ke iswa bosiu nna ke le one. Na entle ke I ne ke punishiwa nje on the side. Wa bona. Ne ke punishiwa lawyer stuff back, I shouldn't. Or get up. And then ke le mnyane maybe ne qeta o jumpa 20 mara ha ke re ke fihla ka da ke thola go most of back ma 20 years a jumpela ka mo o tsho ke fihlile se ke qualify o tla ka mo di bossing. You understand? Yeah, ke yona ntho ene mpola. So na I felt ore bankisa thakeng tsaka, that's all. Maponesa because le file ya ka ene ngotse go nna I'm clashing with the police. Le ponesa le nkiste tronkong after the sentencing we like kgethela re o ke tla motsamaisa nna personal. Yeah, ke this guy I can call him my rivalry. He's a policeman na sa utlwane plan wa bona ne ba re tshware police station e le fire october nna ke batla o prove batho wrong ora la ka thwala a thwala na nthwala and ne ke mjetsa 99 pela di colleague a sa utlwisise. So na hlwetse ntho tse jwalo ne ke sanke ke nna na sa mo mamele. Sometimes ne ke na lutsuwa matekwana a kena mo seleng ke tsube a ntse a tomela be ke kenya ka mo toilet ke flush ba tlangwe ke musi. At one point na the station commander ko police station eo o ile nkopa I mustn't smoke during the day o kopa ke tsube bosiu a nkopa the way ne ke lenkane ka teng my brother. Ne ke hasha everything ke hash and ka mabomo not by hore nkare ha ke tsebe ntho ne nketsa no ne ke etsa ntho ke calculate
Yes.
ke calculator le go casing e ke chelta pele next na yona in hlotse from 3,000 to 500 ntse hlotse maritsa re 500 ka kopantsha di 5 rand when I was washing cars tsa maponesa ka montle. In fact, not me alone, but it ended up being me alone.
Yes. Because you needed more money.
I needed more money than these guys. I needed that money more than these guys. So I was fighting with everyone who can take that chance. Alo hlatswa ha ke ta hlatswa koloi wa itlisa 500 kon by fire by force otherwise ke lo elata ko selenyana. Yeah,
You can get laid off.
ke inkele yona and they know go le maponesa mang
They won't do shit.
they won't do shit, so they know, they knew. I understand, my brother. Yeah, so that's how my first day in Stoffberg was. But my first day in Stoffberg, Leon, first day ke fihla au chiki ye ke le pick 5 actually pick 5 a ke tsebe next yona kante e tswa maximum Stoffberg ke tsotse wa understand, my brother. A fihla njela straight are my brother o bona o santsano ya tronkong ya hole nna nka o gabodisa kere a re no ya maximum wena wa bona ene wena da ba lo batla o paisisa once re phele ka ofela ka re shopa ya wa bona wa tsuba kere ai da mano re ka toilet jumpers re tsuba zolo festereng ke first day ya ene a choose ya e ke kwejwe le yona e teng untsa isheba re bu ke mara ke khonne ke molata re mona zwagala go tlo tsuba se ke chaitse di mane ka mo toilet wa bo re man ke na la choose le na wa tozo ke mo bitsa ba ra mo bitsa nna ke nana ke thotse out like mpenje ra tsuba ka out ka ya tsuba are ho out ka emfetho wena ka nna ya ka ga re sa ketile tsuba wena ka nna ya ka da gona re ke batlo sala ke bua le abuti emfetho share ke tlo quota no emfetho shebam wa bona mo yang o batla ya ntho so nna ke tlo fa di day mara le wena o na le ntho tlameleng o mfe yona ke re go fa mra ya ka nna ke na next re pesukwa ke gore mane pesuku ya today ine le sister la a choose asen na ke thole pesuku a re ne fet wena o tlo mfa di rope kanjani a re ne o tla kwala fela nna ke tla kenya kwa ida kanjani manje a re ne ya itsuwa ntho e o iso fet ka ra e bra ka msia ka da ka ra e bra ka o sa re manya mara still ke tswile my brother. That's when I realized when I'm scared I'm dangerous. Wa le da man
Go feed.
yeah ne ku utlwa ke tla moloma ne ke tlo moloma da man wherever wa bona and I knew hore o pale mafahla a dina skisi tse a di chimi la ka chima ba skora yeah mara ke tlo swara o pale mafahla tla mmamela mara yena na sa chima na le mkhaba fela ya ne la utitse thafo fela ka mekhawa wa bona a santsa tswa ile gala le la shona sa setse ka bo ma 6 months a tswa yeah so ha o tlo tswa wa tomela tronkong e pela kolona wa understand la o ka tsama di tronko ka ofela mara ha o tlo tswa ha o dula tshepisong hiyo o ka tla bo macruas dog you are home le batho ba kolona mo tlo bona le batho o khona o tloela batho wa understand yeah so my brother I think it's enough for today right
Yes.
thank you very much next week ba fetho re tla ba fetho ka ma 26 abo ka ofela ba fetho da tronkong le ma pick 5 ba fetho what I'm doing now I'm trying ba fetho to talk your boys and girls out of that gangsterism wa tseba le wena that thing is demonic prior ka wa tseba ha sebetse I don't think o batla ngwana hao I join into it wa bona o bana ngwana hao tronkong ba mo jwetsa mo re tronkong ntho e ka mo kenyetsa enga ke mama haya ke le batho e ka mo kenyetsa enga le matsa o mong le yena ithola le tronkong o tla thola ntwana hao se jewa mfana o tla go kopana le ntwana hao se tswa go di tronkong tse ding ka ntwe ntwana e se join number and ha joina ya hao so you'll be enemies, you'll be rivalry that way so pasopo ba fetho. Now what I'm doing here ke bua le bafana ba rona ke ba bontsha go ntwe ha ya loka le lona ba fetho re le emetse tswayang ka peace ba fetho le fatshe la le hloka thank you apa number 1 educational speaker in the whole world.